Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, this is a boy NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And right about now, people, just going to talk about the incident that took place last week Thursday in Jamaica, in KINGST0N, people. And this is where a young man, you understand, who the mother claimed never deserved to go. And he was just at the wrong place at the wrong time because she knew her boy, in and ranks. Well, people, let me get into it, right? Because it is said that right now, Zine, last week Thursday, a 32-year-old young man, promising young man, who works at the Norman Manley International Airport in the maintenance department and also do look a barbering on his side as him look a fun job. You understand? If you have a virgin who say, no more, I'm here cut her, he can do it because he have that skill there. But it is said that on last week Thursday, people, was the final here he gonna cut before someone cut him down. Because it is said that the mother, right, him link up his son, and his son always link him because him say man his son have a really good relationship, and link his son, and his son say, yo, like she tell her son say, so my throat no feel so good though, and you know what I mean? The son like give her some lime and look of salt, and you know what I mean? Say, say me I go around the barber shop because the barber shop is there really close to the house. You understand? I go to the barber shop because I go cut one of my virgin hair and everything. Well, people, they said that while him gone in the shop and everything, the mother in there, you know what I mean, get up him lime and him salt and I try to fix up him throat and everything. She hear boop, 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 like 4 gunshots. You understand? She just said, it came around the barber shop, and you know what I mean? So when she go around, they go look, people, she see a man outside the barber shop. You know what I mean? Gone, knock up. When she go inside, she see her son, people, with, tell her people, not in a good state, with shots. You understand? Gunshots on all over, head and everything. You know what I mean? And in the end, people, 2 other persons who was there also shot too, but they managed to live. And the mother is now, says she cannot believe her son is gone. As me I tell her people, she say her son is a hard-working young man. You know what I mean? Her son not in no wrongs, no wrongdoing with people and everything. Her son is a youth who love to enjoy him life, enjoy himself, take care of himself. You know what I mean? As a young man in the street, you go on buy your nice clothes, your nice shoes, live a life, them, you know what I mean? KINGST0N lifestyle and everything. But you say, in her head and her mind, our son was just at the wrong place at the wrong time. You know what I mean? Maybe somebody them come for somebody, man, just start bap, bap, bap. Catch our son too. And so comes him get knocked. But I'm just saying, your people, boy, you just don't know. You know what I mean? You just don't know. Because you want to live life, Imagine you did a link up a bridge and you cut your bridge in here and a man just come in pound there. You know what I mean? And just, well, I tell you, I want to check out things like this, people, in our community like that. Because I tell you, I'm somebody who close by the place now, because most of them KINGST0N community are people. In a daylight, you can't just, or evening time, the boy can't just walk in a place from out and different parts and come in like that, It's same people in the era, same man in the era, do them thing, man we close by, man we know you move, we make man we study you, man we watch up. I'm telling you KINGST0N because we in a KINGST0N, we know it got people. Zine, KINGST0N is not a place where you just walk in, walk out. You come from that side, you just walk in anytime and walk out like that. Nobody don't know you, you know what I mean? And it just sad right now, the mother, she says she can't believe people. She mourning the loss of her son, tears and everything. And John, I feel it for her people. You know what I mean? Because it don't like to lose a loved one in time like this. And you know what I mean? That's why I say, her son will be rest in peace, man. And my condolences to the family of this youth. You know what I mean? Not a good look, people. And every day we beg and ask for a change, ask for a better Jamaican. But Chano star. Chano. So people, I don't know this again, it's NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and there's enough love, people, enough respect and peace. Bless up. I'm out.